Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Barclays app error code RP156. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there's actually multiple ways on probably fixing this issue. Now, one of those ways to fix this issue is to make sure that you have the latest version of the Barclays mobile app. In this case, go ahead and visit the Google App Store or the App Store itself, and from then on, look for Barclays app and see if there are any updates. Sometimes not having the updated version can cause issue, and that's why it's really important that you have it updated. Now, if you already updated the app itself and you're still encountering the issue, well, there's still a few things that you could do here. So one of those is clearing a few things or a few items or settings into your Barclays app. In this case, look for the Barclays app, press and hold on it, and from here you want to go to app info. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to click on the clear data button at the bottom right of the screen, and from here click on the clear cache option and hit on OK. Now in this case, it's going to clear the cache, which are temporary files, so it does not matter and it's okay. In this case, once we've done that, go ahead and open it again and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, there is still a final way to fix this issue. So one of them is to ensure that you have a stable interconnection. Sometimes not having a stable interconnection can cause this problem, so make sure to connect to a stable interconnection, like for example a Wi-Fi. But if your Wi-Fi connection is fairly slow, try using your mobile data and see if that solves your issue. Now, also, finally, if that still doesn't work, it is recommended to uninstall the app itself and reinstall it again on your mobile device, and hopefully that would solve this issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.